Okay, so the Gimel, 7th Hebrew letter. The 9 is over here, but I don't have a 9 over here. I don't see any 9 over here. I see a 9 here. I know the 1 lives inside the 5. I know the 1 lives inside the 3. I know the 7 doesn't live in any of these. The 7 is an association of 1, 2, 3. It's a 3, 1, 3 creating 7. A 1, 3, 1 to create 7. 1 times 3, 1 plus 3 is 7. The 1, 3, 5 says ace. In the A house, 1, 10, 19, 30. In the C house, 3, 12, 21. Must be a Seahawk. In the E house, 5, 14, 23. The total here is 30. Total here is 42. The total here, 36. And the total with G is 48, 25, and 16, 41, and 7, 48. Times 4, 192. Or I'm just going to take the 48, 156. There's 156, 26 by 6 equals 156, 13 by 12. It's part of the Rubik's Cube cycling of the 12 moons, the feminine. 1 and 5 is 6. The letter is OF that comes together here. Irrelevant. This will say the word new. This one over here is the letters for JAS, and here it's CLU. But when this is done, what's going to happen is we are going to get FOX 61524, and that's going to be 45. And then this one over here, we're going to get I and R, and that'll be 18, and 9 equals 27. And the one over here, we're going to get HQZ equaling to 8 and 17, and 26. Look, 6, 7, and 8. 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, right? 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Right, how about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Okay, we won't play like that. And this one here is 51, like Area 51 for HQ, right? So the total here is 96, 106, 116, ABC, 1, 2, 3. Now, the number we had down here was 7. So the reverse of what 7 is usually 7 in the cube. So what number should I be using to come along with that? Should I use 3 and this was 7? That was the reverse alphabet. Oh yeah, I can use the reverse alphabet for this. So the reverse alphabet for this is T. So that will be B, K, T, 2 and 11 and 20 equals to 33 in the second house, in the house of Venus, 33. That rocks. So we get 33 and 51 is 84. Wow, that rocks. 84, 94, 104, 111, and 5 is 116, and 40, 156, 156, 312, 104. Cat's communication in the house, 10-4. Why the cat? 312 says cat. And we got the communication in the cubic house. Raphael in the Great Reset of Great Britain, where the numbers gave me the idea what it is. Britain is 73. Great is going to be 25 and 6, 31, 51. Great Britain. Thank you for watching this video. The envelope hatchet.